Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a waiting list on Eventbrite. To create a waiting list on Eventbrite, follow these detailed steps. The first thing is to go to Eventbrite and log into your Eventbrite account. Then click on your profile icon in the top right corner displayed with your email address. From the drop-down menu, select Manage My Events. That's going to walk you into a new window. In this Manage My Events window, click Event in the left-hand navigation menu to view all your events. In this window, you have all your events organized. Now, in here, select the event where you want to create a waiting list. You select the event by clicking on the event title, and that's going to walk you into the event management dashboard, which we have here. In the event management dashboard, click on tickets. That's if you have added your tickets already. I have not added any tickets, so that's why I have add ticket. But if you have added your ticket, go ahead and click on ticket in the left-hand navigation menu. And that's going to walk you into the tickets management page. On the tickets management page, scroll down to the waiting list section. I have not created a ticket, so you have nothing to show. Now, if you have created tickets, you'll find the waiting list section. So scroll down to the waiting list section. Under the ticket sales section, ensure that the event has a ticket type with available spots. If your event is sold out or close to being sold out, Eventbrite will automatically show an option to enable waiting list. If it's not showing automatically, look for an option to add a waiting list under the ticket section and click on it to enable it. After enabling the waiting list, you have the option to configure the settings. 1. You can set the maximum number of people who can join the waiting list. You can choose whether you want to send an email with a ticket when a ticket becomes available, or optionally, you can include a custom message to attendees who join the waiting list, letting them know what to expect. Now, once you have set up the waiting list preferences, click Save to apply the changes. When tickets become available again, for example, if someone cancels or additional tickets are released, attendees on the waiting list will be notified and given the opportunity to purchase tickets. You can also manage waiting list attendees manually from the Order section under your Event Manage dashboard. And if you want to manually move someone from the waiting list to the ticket sales list, you can do so by selecting the attendee and transferring their status. You can share the waiting list option on your event page by including information about the waiting list in the event description or via mail. This feature helps you manage demand and ensures you don't lose out on potential ticket sales when events sell out. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.